Hi, dear students, welcome you all. So this is Lokesh Kelor, Assistant Teacher, Social Science, Talented Girls Residential School, Nanjangud Town. In this video, also we discuss some more important one mark questions for your examinations. Let's know about the important questions. The first question: which type of climate found in India? All you know that is tropical monsoon climate. Next one, during the summer season, the temperature is high in India. Why? The most important question repeatedly asked. The because sun rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. So India have high temperatures. Next, highest temperature recorded in North India during the summer season. Why? Because the long day and distance from sea. So this is the reason North India get high temperatures. Next question, which is the hottest place of India? You know very well, that is Ganga Nagar. So recorded 52 degrees centigrade. Next one, what are the reasons for rainfall at same place in India during April, May? So some places in India during April, May. The reason is due to local temperature and winds, India gets some rain. Next one, which season bring highest rainfall in India? All you know that southwest monsoon season is known as rainy season, get more rain. Next, the pre-monsoon rain in different names in different states. Those are pre-monsoon, that is mango shower in Kerala, coffee blossoms in Karnataka, Kala Baisakhi in West Bengal, and Andes in Uttar Pradesh. These are the different names given to pre-monsoon rain. Go to next question. Which season bring highest rainfall to Tamil Nadu? So there is northeast monsoon season or retreating monsoon season bring highest rainfall to Tamil Nadu. Next one, the southwest monsoon start to retreat in early October. Why? Because in early October, due to decrease of temperature, low pressure area is gradually replaced by high pressure over the landmass. A low pressure area is developed over the Bay of Bengal. Next question, which is the lowest rainfall season in India? That is winter season. Next one, which is the lowest rainfall place in India? So you know that is Roili in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Next, which is the highest rainfall place in India? Well, you know that is Meghalaya, Mawsin Ram. Next, which country agriculture is gambling with monsoon rain? That is Indian agriculture. Next, which is the coldest month of India? That is January month. Go to next question. What do you mean by monsoon winds? Monsoon winds mean the winds which can change their direction according to season are known as monsoon winds. Next question, which place has recorded the lowest temperature in India? Or you know, Dras near Kargil. Next question, retreating monsoon season is also called as northeastern season. Why? Because they blow from northeast directions. Next one, the eastern side of Western Ghats do not receive rain as much as western slope. Why? Because they lies in rain shadow regions. Rain shadow regions. Next question, how did soil form? Soil is formed by the withering of rocks under different types of climates. Next one, why block soil called as block cotton soil? Because it is best suitable of cotton cultivation. Next one, name the crops grown in laterite soil. So laterite soil suitable plantations like coffee and tea. Next one, what is Deccan basalt trap? Deccan basalt trap means the area of black soil is called Deccan basalt trap. Next question, what is alluvial soil? The soil that are composed of alluvium are called alluvial soil. Next one, what are the other name of black soil? The other name is Reger soil and black cotton soil. Next one, which soil is formed in tropical area under the conditions of high temperature and rainfall? You know that is laterite soil. Next one, which crops are grown in mountain soil? So mountain soil suitable for plantation crops. Next, what is soil? Soil means is the thin surface layer of the earth comprising of closely intermixed minerals and organic substance. It's known as soil. Next one, which soil is derived from the basalt rock? You know that is black soil. Next, how red soil are formed? So red soils are formed from the withering of granites, gneiss and other crystallic rock. Next one, why is desert soil not suitable of agriculture? You know that it is a sandy and low in moisture and humus. Next, what is soil erosion? It's the most important question. Soil erosion refers to the removal of topsoil by natural agents. Next one, block soil is suitable for dry farming. Why? So because it has high moisture retention capacity. Next one, why is block soil dark gray to black in color? Because block soil is derived from the basalt rock, so they are dark gray to black in color. Next, what do you mean by forest? Forest means a large area of land covered with trees and undergrowth naturally. Next one, name the area where desert vegetation is found in India. The states like Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan in the adjoining area of Thar Desert. Next one, what do you mean by conservation of forest? It means protecting the forest from disease, human beings and animals. Next one, which forests are called monsoon forest? Those are tropical deciduous forests are called monsoon forest. Next one, which type of forest is found in Himalaya? That is mountain forest or mountain vegetation. Next one, which forests are most commonly found in the river delta of eastern coast? So the river delta grow mangrove forest. Next one, in which state is the Nagarjuna Sagara Wildlife Sanctuary located? That is in Telangana state. Next one, which type of forests are shed their leaves during spring and early summer? So those are monsoon forests or tropical deciduous forest. Next one, what is the speciality of mangrove forest? So the trees trunks of mangrove forests are supported by a number of stilt-like roots which are submerged under water. They are also known as pedant roots. Next, which state has the largest area under forest? So this is Madhya Pradesh state. Next one, which state has lowest area under forest? That is Goa. Next one, that is what is biosphere reserve? Biosphere reserve means a special category of protected area of land or coastal environment. It's called biosphere reserve. Next one, which forests are found in high rainfall area? That is evergreen forest. Next one, what is wildlife sanctuaries? A place meant from providing protections to wild animals, birds, that are wildlife sanctuaries. Next one, what do you mean by national park? An extensive area which is specially protected to preserve its natural beauty, wildlife and forests for public recreation and scientific interest. This is national park. Next one, we know that in this video so helpful to your examinations to get more marks.